Welcome to Fun Food Stories. If you're ready to throw the ultimate Easter party with snacks that are fun, bold, and totally addictive, you're in the right place. Today, I'm bringing you 10 of the best Easter party snacks. We're talking about cheesy, crunchy, chocolatey, and over-the-top delicious treats that will have everyone coming back for more. Think ooey gooey stuffed bites, colorful sweet and salty combos, and epic flavors that will make your Easter spread unforgettable. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends. You won't want to miss out on more fun, easy, and mind-blowing recipes. Alright, grab your ingredients, and let's get cooking. We're kicking things off with something that's crunchy, spicy, and completely irresistible. Flaming hot Cheetos mozzarella sticks. Start by cutting mozzarella cheese sticks in half and placing them in the freezer for at least 30 minutes to firm up. Meanwhile, crush 2 cups of flaming hot Cheetos in a blender until they turn into fine crumbs and pour them into a bowl. In another bowl, whisk 2 eggs with a 1/4 cup of milk, and in a third bowl, add 1/2 cup of flour. Take each frozen cheese stick, roll it in flour, dip it in the egg mixture, then coat it heavily in the crushed Cheetos. Repeat the egg and Cheetos coating for an extra crispy layer. Heat oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and deep fry the sticks for about 30 seconds to a minute until golden and crispy. The moment you bite into one, the cheese stretches perfectly and that spicy crunch. Absolute heaven. Serve these with a spicy ranch dip. Just mix ranch dressing with a splash of hot sauce for an extra kick. Next, we have something sweet and creamy, Oreo cheesecake egg bites. Crush 20 Oreo cookies into fine crumbs and mix them with 4 ounces of softened cream cheese until smooth. Now, take hollow chocolate Easter eggs, carefully break them in half, and scoop a small amount of the Oreo cheesecake mixture into each half, pressing them back together. Pop them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to firm up, then drizzle with melted white chocolate and top with pastel sprinkles. When you bite into these, you get that crisp chocolate shell followed by rich, velvety cookies and cream filling. Pure bliss. It's time to turn up the flavor with spicy honey butter chicken sliders. Start by cutting 12 Hawaiian rolls in half and set them aside. In a bowl, whisk 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Dip bite-sized chicken pieces into the mixture, then coat them in 1 cup of flour mixed with 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne and black pepper. Fry them in hot oil at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 4 minutes until golden and crispy. Meanwhile, in a saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter and mix with 2 tablespoons of honey and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Now, assemble the sliders. Place a piece of crispy chicken on the bottom half of each roll, top with a slice of cheddar cheese, drizzle with spicy honey butter, and add the top bun. The combination of crispy chicken, melted cheese, and sweet heat honey butter is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. If you love s'mores, you're going to go crazy for s'mores cookie dough dip. In a bowl, mix 1/2 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar until smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of heat-treated flour, and 2 tablespoons of milk, then mix until creamy. Stir in 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips and 1/2 cup of mini marshmallows. Serve with graham crackers, pretzels, or honestly, just grab a spoon. It's that good. For a fun twist on nachos, let's make loaded Easter nachos. Lay out a large pile of salty tortilla chips on a baking tray. Melt 1/2 cup of white chocolate and 1/2 cup of milk chocolate, then drizzle them over the chips. Sprinkle on mini marshmallows, crushed Oreos, M&Ms, and chopped peanut butter cups. Drizzle with warm caramel sauce and finish with a pinch of sea salt. The sweet and salty mix makes these nachos absolutely addictive. Now let's get into something cheesy and comforting, pizza bombs. Roll out pizza dough and cut it into small squares. Place a cube of mozzarella cheese and a slice of pepperoni in the center of each square, then fold the dough over and pinch the edges to seal. Brush each one with garlic butter, sprinkle with Parmesan cheese and Italian seasoning, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Serve with warm marinara sauce for dipping, and just wait until you break one open. The melty cheese pull is unbeatable. A party isn't complete without a refreshing drink, so let's make cotton candy lemonade slushies. Blend 2 cups of ice, 1 cup of lemonade, and a handful of cotton candy until smooth. Pour into cups and top with extra cotton candy for a fun, fluffy garnish that melts right into the drink. Next up, caramel popcorn pretzel bites. Pop 4 cups of popcorn and mix with 1 cup of crushed pretzels. Melt half a cup of caramel and drizzle it over the mixture, letting it cool before breaking it into bite-sized clusters. To take it up a notch, drizzle with melted dark chocolate for that perfect sweet and salty combo. For something nostalgic and crispy, we're making fried peanut butter and jelly bites. Take slices of white bread, spread peanut butter and jelly, and press another slice on top. Cut into small squares, dip in beaten egg, then coat in crushed graham crackers. Fry in hot oil for about 1 minute per side until golden, then dust with powdered sugar. The warm, crispy outside and gooey peanut butter and jelly inside make these little bites impossible to resist. Let's finish with something extra special: Easter egg ice cream sandwiches. Bake soft sugar cookies in oval shapes. Once cooled, spread a scoop of vanilla or cotton candy ice cream onto 1 cookie and press another on top. Freeze for at least 30 minutes, then dip the edges in melted chocolate and cover in Easter sprinkles. The mix of chewy cookies, creamy ice cream, and crunchy chocolate coating is an absolute dream. Now, as a bonus, here's an easy Easter party hack. Make DIY chocolate-dipped strawberries by melting chocolate, dipping strawberries, and rolling them in crushed Oreos or colorful sprinkles. Or, for the ultimate snack spread, arrange a mix of these treats on a charcuterie board for an Instagram-worthy Easter table that everyone will love. And there you have it, 10 of the best Easter party snacks, plus a fun little bonus to take your party to the next level. Which of these snacks are you trying first? Are you team sweet or team salty? Let me know in the comments. And if you love these recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Happy Easter, and I'll see you in the next one.